Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Precision matters when tightening bolts, and the right tool ensures accuracy, safety, and performance across mechanical and DIY projects without unnecessary guesswork. Best Digital Torque Wrench Adapter helps monitor torque values in real time, preventing over-tightening and improving reliability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ATsafepro DIY Torque Wrench Adapter. The ATsafepro DIY Torque Wrench Adapter stands out as a highly versatile and user-friendly tool designed for both hobbyists and professionals. Its full-color display provides clear and precise torque readings, making it easy to monitor performance even in dim or bright environments. With support for 5 measurement units, including inch LBS, foot LBS, NM, KGF LBS, and kg.m, it adapts seamlessly to various applications such as bicycle maintenance, automotive work, and general home repairs. The plus or minus 2% accuracy ensures dependable results, giving users confidence when tightening critical components. What makes this adapter particularly practical is its triple alert system, combining vibration, audible buzzer, and LED flashing to notify users when the desired torque is reached. This feature is especially useful in noisy workshops or situations requiring intense focus. The dual-direction ratchet with a 72-tooth mechanism provides smooth operation and flexibility, while the preset torque mode allows users to save frequently used settings, improving efficiency during repetitive tasks. Number 2. NEIKO Adapter Torque Wrench Adapter. The NEIKO Adapter Torque Wrench Adapter is a solid choice for users seeking to convert their standard ratchet wrench into a precise digital torque measuring tool. Built with practicality in mind, it supports both metric and SAE units, including foot-pounds, N-meters, and kilogram meters, allowing flexibility across different mechanical tasks. Its bidirectional capability ensures accurate torque readings whether working clockwise or counterclockwise, which is essential for various automotive and industrial applications. With a torque range of 29.5 to 147.5 foot-pounds, 40 to 200 N-meters, it is particularly suited for medium to heavy-duty jobs. The plus or minus 2% accuracy ensures consistent and reliable performance, making it a dependable tool for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. The adapter includes both peak and trace modes, allowing users to either capture the maximum torque reached or monitor torque application in real time.
Number 3. YIYEIE Auto Torque Wrench Adapter. The YIYEIE Auto Torque Wrench Adapter is designed to deliver both performance and convenience, making it suitable for a wide range of users, from DIY enthusiasts to professionals. Its color LCD display ensures excellent readability in various lighting conditions, whether working outdoors in bright sunlight or indoors during nighttime projects. The adapter offers both peak and track modes, allowing users to either capture maximum torque values or monitor torque application in real time. With an impressive torque range of 12.54 to 250.8 feet-pounds, 117 to 340 Newton-meters, it is capable of handling both light and heavy-duty tasks. Accuracy is another strong point, delivering plus or minus 2% precision clockwise and plus or minus 3% counterclockwise, ensuring reliable performance across applications. The unit supports 4 measurement units, making it adaptable for different standards and user preferences. Its buzzer and LED indicator system provides progressive alerts, warning users as they approach the target torque and signaling when it is reached, helping to prevent over-tightening.
Number 4. GROWNEER Buzzer Torque Wrench Adapter. The GROWNEER Buzzer Torque Wrench Adapter offers a comprehensive and innovative solution for users who need both precision and flexibility in torque applications. Featuring a wide torque range of 7.3 to 250.7 foot-pounds, 10 to 340 Newton-meters, it is suitable for a variety of tasks, from delicate mechanical adjustments to heavy-duty automotive work. Its plus or minus 2% accuracy ensures dependable tightening, while the plus or minus 3% counterclockwise accuracy adds versatility. One of its standout features is the telescoping design, allowing users to adjust the wrench length to generate different levels of force, which is especially useful for accessing tight or awkward spaces. The 90-tooth ratchet mechanism requires only a minimal swing arc, providing superior maneuverability compared to standard designs. The integrated buzzer and LED indicator system enhances usability by clearly signaling when the preset torque is approaching or reached, reducing the risk of over-tightening.
Ergonomics are also well addressed, with a non-slip handle designed to reduce hand fatigue during extended use.
Number 5. EWK Adapter Torque Wrench Adapter. The EWK Adapter Torque Wrench Adapter is a compact yet powerful tool designed to transform any standard ratchet into a high-precision digital torque instrument. Its standout feature is its impressive accuracy, offering plus 1.5% precision clockwise and plus 2.5% counterclockwise, which is slightly better than many competitors in its category. This level of precision makes it ideal for critical applications such as engine assembly, suspension work, and other tasks where exact torque is essential. The adapter supports 4 measurement units, allowing users to easily switch between Newton meters, lib pound feet, lib pound in, and kilogram pound centimeter, depending on their needs. It features both peak hold and real-time tracking modes, providing flexibility for different types of work. The intelligent alert system, with early warnings at 80% and clear signals at 100% of the preset torque, helps users avoid over-tightening and potential damage. Its backlit LCD display ensures easy readability, even in low light or confined working conditions. The device also allows storage of up to 30 preset values, enabling quick transitions between tasks without repeated adjustments. Choosing the right digital torque wrench adapter ensures consistent accuracy, better control, and longer tool life. Focus on build quality, clear display, and reliable calibration. With the right pick, every fastening job becomes safer, more precise, and confidently handled from start to finish without second-guessing results.